Hello guys, this is Epic E, and today I will be showing you guys how to kickflip on a skateboard. Alright, so in order to kickflip, you first need to know how to do an ollie. That's an ollie. Check out another tutorial on YouTube how to do that. I don't have one out yet, but I'll try to get one out sometime. So, if you know how to do an ollie, you'll know that you have to pop it like this and slide your foot like this. Here's a slow-mo demonstration. Alright, so in order to do a kickflip, you need to do the exact same thing, except instead of sliding your foot up like this, you would slide it off to the side like that. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of that also. Alright, so basically the fundamentals are bend down like this, pop, and slide your foot out, and also jump when you do it. So sliding your foot out is basically what gets your board. Your foot basically slides out like that and flips your board, and that's how the board spins. So thanks for watching. I hope this was a help for anybody who needed tips on how to kickflip, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.